Hello, and thank you for looking at and listening to our video entry for the Social Media Expo at iConference 2015. We are Ziad Matni, Jennifer Sonne, and Dongho Choi from the School of Communication and Information at Rutgers University. Our project is Society Key, an online system and service that integrates data from multiple social media and governmental open data sources to increase awareness of available societal data and to encourage individuals and groups of people to take action towards the well-being of their local communities. Governments and other public domain organizations are now publicizing their datasets for community benefits and social goods. Since their data conveys rich, diverse, and useful information for practical purposes, active and appropriate use of open data can provide community and society opportunities for innovation and community engagement. However, a lack of awareness and an inconvenience for most people to retrieve and compare information across datasets by individuals hinder this open data from being fully utilized by most people. Given that social media creates low-cost and easy pathways for generating and consuming content over diverse hardware devices, we believe that integrating certain user-generated content into government open databases and vice versa enhances the relevance and timeliness of the open data and introduces a new value to the usual role of social media.
Society Key will be designed as an online web service for individuals and groups as well as local businesses. The website will work with a centralized database and software that will ensure that input from social media and government open databases will interact seamlessly. As such, it will have an interactive website optimized for both large screen and mobile device format. In addition, we propose to integrate information kiosks in and around public spaces as part of our system. This will present people with a physical venue to exchange information with each other and Society Key in a public space that encourages them to interact based on common local interests. These public information venues are also important components that will help people become more aware of these open databases and help them visualize the importance of this information in their lives and their communities.
Let's take a look at a scenario of a typical Society Key user. A user, let's call him James, goes to the main website and is greeted with a welcome message. He then clicks on My Account and logs in with his username and password. Of course, if he is a new user, he can create a new account. We should point out here that organizations, including businesses, non-governmental, and governmental ones, can also create accounts in Society Key and will have a prominent role in the ecology of this system. Note, however, that under the My Account page, there's a connected social media and databases page. When James clicks on that, he sees a summary of his connected social media accounts and the government open databases. He also has the option to add or delete connections. All of these act as data sources to James's account on the system. On the check-in page, James can post status updates on the website, as well as share his status and findings on other social media platforms. James can then access visual data on Society Key through the Charts and Maps page. Here are some examples of data that he might compile and visualize. For example, the New York City subway entrances map helps him navigate the city when he visits from upstate New York. Also, he's compiled data visuals from the U.S. Average Price Consumer Index because, as a hobby economist, he worries about the commercial health of his local businesses. On the Challenges page of the website, targeted messages await James from local businesses who offer incentives that contribute to both their community's health and well-being and their commercial activity. These challenges help users establish themselves as top users of the site, as recognized by badges that we issue them when they have attracted enough of their friends to the site, or with challenges set forth by businesses that incentivize users to contribute to the site. Should James want to delve further into what Society Key is all about, he can click on the About page. This page also links James to his local Society Key information kiosks.
This has been a presentation of the Society Key System by Ziad Matni, Jennifer Sonne, and Dongho Choi from Rutgers. Thank you.